Let's talk about the rules and regulations here. This is only the 5th time Major League Baseball has been played on Halloween. People are showing up in costume. They're being very festive. But here are some of the rules that you need to follow. Of course, costumes, yes, indeed, they are welcome, but masks or anything covering your face is not permitted. Face paint is fine. Footwear is required. And keep your outfit family friendly. That's very important. Props like brooms, poles, sticks, umbrellas, baseball bats, and weapons of any kind, they're not permitted. Also, leave beach balls, inflatables, noisemakers, musical instruments, and whistles at home, as well as banners, signs, and flags. Now, if you're bringing small purses, small bags, backpacks, those are all okay. Now, as far as treats go, you may bring in an unopened, non-alcoholic beverage in 1 liter or smaller bottles. We saw someone try to sneak in 2 40-ounce beers. Those were confiscated, and they were almost going to be sent away. They were allowed to go into the park. Also, sealed snacks are also welcome, but don't forget that the stadium is serving up some special Spirited World Series goodies too. For complete security guidelines, just go to our website. So once again, fans are encouraged to be festive, show their team spirit, and have a good time. And if they are going to be dressing up, be reasonable. And of course, keep in mind this is a family-friendly event. We'll have much more coming up from Dodger Stadium, but for now, Lena and Elsa, I'll send it back to you with, look at this orange. It's unbelievable out here.
You know, Juan, they were messing with you during your intro to your live report there. Somebody came up behind you, gave you rabbit ears, but for the most part, they're being pretty respectful.
Oh, my goodness.
They're fun.
Yeah, they're playing with you.
I could not hear a thing.
Thanks, Juan.